See the ship. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is the part 2 of minicoy travel I have put in my channel, and I'm sorry to upload this video late. It took time for editing. This is the day we were getting down from the ship. We were getting down to minicoy and we have reached minicoy. Sea is not that rough, you can see. Sea is very calm and people are getting down. Yet my luggages are on board, so I am waiting here and I'll show you the sea. You can see it. I'll go near where the ship and the jetty is. Nearby, it's tied near. I'll show you the gap. The gangway is very shaky because the sea is little bit shaking. But if it is rough, they do not come near to the island. Now the sea is calm, so the ship has come near to the jetty. Otherwise, we go in the boat or launch and then we come to the island. Yet people are still getting down. You can see so far people are still getting down and luggages are being put. Now we have more things to be done. After getting down from the ship, we cannot immediately roam out. We have to remain 7 days quarantine. And I don't know how time will pass during quarantine. The difficulty during quarantine is that here there is no network in minicoy. Mostly in Lakshadweep there is no network, and minicoy is worst. It has no network. We cannot see any net, any YouTube, anything. Only we have to time pass by cooking our food and sleeping, playing with Shaariq. Still my luggage is on board. It has not reached me. I am waiting for my luggage. As soon as the luggage is with me, I'll be leaving and I'll shoot the video also. The special one in which I'm going home. Before that, I'll show you the sea, the gap between the ship and the jetty. You can see the sea water. Sea is calm, that's why the ship is near the jetty. Here some tires are tied because the ship should not dash on the jetty. And now the auto will reach. I put a time lapse because it's getting late. Now at the main gate there will be people from the hospital. They will be checking the temperature and they'll tell you to go to check. After 7 days quarantine, they'll tell you to go to do RT-PCR, and I won't be going for all that, or I won't take any injection, anything. So we'll just tell them yes and we'll be going.
ಐದು ಉನ್ನ ಊರಿಲೆ ಹೈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ದರಿಯೋ ಸಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಲ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮನೆ ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ದಿ ಗೋಪುರ ಓಕೆ ಹೀರೋ
We got some vegetables from Cochin so that we can use them for cooking, because getting vegetables in Lakshadweep is very difficult. In minicoy, vegetables are very difficult. Also, we will be in quarantine. We can't get out to buy things. So we took the vegetables from Cochin itself, and now we have to see it carefully. Oh, it's very sunny, very hot. Almost it's 11 o'clock. It got late for us to get down. Now we are on the way home. You can see the island, it's so sunny. This is the beachside road. And after 7 days, I will be going out. At the time, I'll take videos and show the videos. I'll be uploading more. This is the video taken after 7 days. We are out and we came to Tundi. It's the end of the island. And now we are going in the bike to Tundi. There we will go to the beach and just enjoy the sunset and we'll be back. You can see some videos, some video clips of the beach. Shaariq is sitting in the front of the bike and enjoying the ride. For him, it's a pleasure to go in the bike. He likes to go in the bike. We are here. Shaariq is very scary to walk in the sand because I have never left him in the sand and this is the first time he is in the sand. He is getting irritated when the sand is going into his chappal and he is very slow in walking. But I am leaving him here because the sand here is very clean. It has no dust. He wants to see the seashells, so I went near the water to show him the seashells.
Where is Mymoonas?
She'll come. Bobby will come, you walk. She'll come, you walk. Bobby!
See, very much fishes are there, no?
Share a video. All I want, fish.
Then make him.
Wait.
This is the sea water that comes during high tide and during low tide it's fully calm. During high tide the sea will be rising, so there will be more water in this side. Now there are some small fishes you can see. Maybe you can see it in the camera, I don't know. But I am able to see some small fishes. It's so nice and beautiful.
Come to see fish.
Something is seen.
Very big bird.
No, nothing is seen now.
Now can't see. It gone. This much near it came and gone. It will come but.
These things are walking now.
Yeah.
Take video like they're walking. But when we go, they are stopping.
See, the shells are alive. There are something creatures in it alive and they are running. You can see it.
Walk, walk. Wait, we see somewhere something new. They are walking, sing.
Now father and son are having a great walk.
walking like it is. ചീടുത്താലേ ഉണ്ട്.
I took a slow-mo shot of my walk, and this is the side where there are tetrapoles, and those tetrapoles are buried by the seashore sand. You can see the water flowing here. You'll think that it's a river, but it's seawater. It's so clear and clean, but it's very salty. You'll feel that it's looking like a river, perfect river, but it's seawater, of course. Mostly in the evening time, all the islanders come to Tundi and they have a bike ride and they roam here till sunset and go back home when it's dark.
It will be wet. Then come. Where you want to go? Come here. Come here. My shoe will get wet. Come.
Come to mom. Walk it go. He wants to see what.
कौन जीत गया? काग कोई शारिक कोई
Shaariq dance.
शारिक
Shaariq dance.
शारिक
Yeah.
Shaariq going plan.
See, do like this. Where Jappal also come do.
Hah? Hah? Kali baru kali le.
Sorry, give you for the evening.
Kali le dua gada dia ya. Kali bete. Orang dapat.
Sorry, go to Mina.
Eh ya belu camera le.
Put the Jappal mark. Yeah. Hi, you say, my dear. There is camera. You say hi. See here, Shaariq. See here. You'll go in.
See, Shaariq is kicking the sand. He is getting irritated. The sand is inside his chappal, so he's getting irritated. But I am trying to play with him in the sand. And now it's almost dark. The video is getting dim and dim. Now it has become fully dark, almost dark. I cannot shoot any video, and I'll see you in the next part. I'll be uploading next part in Tundi. That will be a picnic. We'll come with friends, and so I'll meet you in that video. I hope so you guys will love this video. If you like, comment and share this with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Until next, take care. Bye bye.